Here is a delicious grilled chicken sandwich recipe for weight loss. Ingredients: 4 ounces grilled chicken breast 120 calories. 2 slices whole grain bread 120 calories. 2 slices lean turkey bacon 100 calories. 1 lettuce leaf 10 calories. 1 tomato slice 20 calories. 1 slice reduced fat cheddar cheese 50 calories. A quarter cup avocado 100 calories. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard 5 calories. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: grill chicken breast until cooked through. Toast bread slices. Spread mustard paste on 1 slice. Assemble sandwich chicken bacon lettuce tomato cheese and avocado. Top with remaining bread slice. Weight loss tips: choose whole grain bread for fiber. Opt for lean turkey bacon. Use reduced fat cheese. Add avocado for healthy fats. Grill chicken for lean protein. Nutrition facts: calories 425. Protein 40 g. Fat 20 g. Saturated fat 6 g. Cholesterol 60 milligrams. Carbohydrates 25 g. Fiber 5 g. Sugar 5 g. Sodium 350 milligrams. Variations: use chicken breast without skin. Swap bacon for grilled mushrooms. Add extra veggies like cucumber, bell peppers. Use low-calorie mayo or Greek yogurt. Tips for making it even healthier: use organic ingredients. Choose low-sodium cheese and bacon. Grill chicken without oil. Add fresh herbs like basil or parsley. Vary depending on the specific ingredients. Cooking methods and portion sizes used. A grilled chicken sandwich typically ranges from 350 to 600 calories, depending on the specific ingredients and portion size.